Dear students, in this video I am going to explain about lesson number 11 hydroxy compounds and ether, topic number 3 preparation of monohydric alcohol. So here we are going to discuss nearly 5 different methods to prepare the alcohol. In this topic I am going to discuss only about the 4 different methods. The 5th method will be discussed in the next heading. First method from alkyl halide. The symbol for alkyl halide is R bond X. R means alkyl group. X stands for halides. So the general formula R bond X, when it is treated with sodium hydroxide and when it is heated, what will happen? The sodium will combine with the halogen and forms NaX and the remaining R bond OH. Okay. We know very well that alcohols are classified into 3 types: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Similarly, alkyl halides are also 3 types: primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. If I take primary alkyl halide at the beginning, I will be getting primary alcohol. If I take secondary alkyl halide, secondary alcohol. If I take tertiary alkyl halide, I will be getting tertiary alcohol. So based on the alkyl halide we take at the beginning, we will be getting different type of alcohol. If I take primary alkyl halide at the beginning, the reaction follows SN2 mechanism. If I take secondary alkyl halide or tertiary alkyl halide, the reaction follows SN1 mechanism. It's very, very important. Next, second method is nothing but hydroboration. It's a very, very important question. Hydroboration, already we learnt in the P block element. So here I am going to take propene CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2. This is a propene CH3 bond CH double bond CH2. It is treated with B2H6, which is nothing but diborane. Okay. Now what is going to happen? I am going to take 6 times propene. 6 molecules of propene I have taken. So here I have 6 hydrogen atom attached to the carbon. In addition to that, these 6 hydrogens are also going to get added to the carbon. சரியா, ஏற்கனவே இந்த கார்பன்ல 6 ஹைட்ரஜன் இருக்கு. இப்போ இங்க இருந்து 6 ஹைட்ரஜன் போய் ஆட் ஆக போகுது. சோ டபுள் பாண்ட் என்ன ஆயிரும்? இந்த இடத்துல சிங்கிள் பாண்ட் ஆகி ஒரு பாண்ட் என்னன்னா முன்னாடி வந்துரும் இந்த மாதிரி. சோ நமக்கு என்ன ஆகும்? அப்ப 6 times CH3 bond CH. So 6 hydrogens are coming here. So CH2 bond. So this group is called as propyl group. This is called as propyl. இப்போ இதவே நம்ம வேற எப்படி எழுதலாம்? It can also be written like this, no? So CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond. 6 times இருக்கா, அதை நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி போட்டுக்கலாமா? So 2 3s are 6. சரியா, 6 times propyl group and 2 borons are there. I mentioned here like this. So 2 boron. What is the name of this compound? Tripropyl. This propyl group is 3 times are there. Tripropyl borane. This is called as tripropyl borane. Okay. Now this tripropyl borane is taken here. CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond B. Tripropyl borane. When it is treated with hydrogen peroxide 3 times. Okay. So hydrogen peroxide, let us write simply like this: OH 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 OH. Or short form இந்த மாதிரி எழுதிருக்கேன். H2O2 H2O2 H2O2. Okay. So propyl group, how many groups we have? 3 propyl groups are there. So CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2. This propyl group 3 times we have, and these 3 OH groups are added here and forms N-propyl alcohol plus 3 OH group and a boron. So BOH thrice. This is called as boric acid. Okay. Next, third method is by reduction of carbonyl compounds. Reduction of carbonyl compound. Already in 11th standard we learnt carbonyl compounds are nothing but aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, ester. So from those carbonyl compound we are going to prepare the alcohol. So first one, CH3 bond C double bond O bond CH3. Acetone I have taken. It is treated with lithium aluminium hydride in presence of tetrahydrofuran. So this reducing agent is going to give up with 2 nascent hydrogen, and those 2 nascent hydrogen will get added like this. So as a result, we'll be getting CH3 bond CHOH bond CH3. This is a secondary alcohol. Similarly, next one, benzoic acid, C6H5 bond COOH. Here also the same lithium aluminum hydride in tetrahydrofuran. It will give us with 4 Nassen hydrogen. அப்போ என்ன ஆகும் எனக்கு 4 Nassen hydrogen இந்த மாதிரி இருக்குமா H2. So H2O will get separated, remaining C6H5 CH2OH. C6H5 CH2OH. I have told you many times CH2 CH2 means it is nothing but benzyl. So it is called as benzyl alcohol. Next, ester, CH3 bond COOC2H5. This is a ester, ethyl acetate. Here also the same lithium aluminum hydride, THF, tetrahydrofuran, will give up with 4 hydrogen. So it will be like this, H2, H. So CH3, CH2OH, CH3, CH2OH, C2H5OH, C2H5OH. So 2 times C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol. So next, fourth example, from an aldehyde, CH3 bond CH, double bond CH, bond CHO. It is called as crotonaldehyde. The same lithium aluminum hydride in presence of tetrahydrofuran. Here this reducing agent will give up with 2 Nassen hydrogen and they will be added like this. அப்போ என்ன கிடைக்கும் எனக்கு CH3 bond CH, double bond CH, bond CH2OH. This is called as crotyl alcohol. So in all these 4 examples, in these three examples, I have only one functional group in each compound, and this example also I have only one functional group in this example. Suppose let us take another example, CH3 bond C, double bond O, bond CH2, bond CH2, bond COH. Look at this compound. This compound itself contains 2 functional groups present in it. One is ketone functional group and another one is acid functional group. So here what type of functional group, what type of reducing agent can be used? Here I am going to use a less vigorous sodium borohydride as a reducing agent. Can you able to understand? If a compound contains only one functional group, we can use lithium aluminum hydride. Here I have 2 functional groups, so I am using less vigorous sodium borohydride as a reducing agent. This sodium borohydride will reduce the more reactive functional group among the 2. So among the 2, the ketone is the more reactive functional group. So it will give us with the 2 Nassen hydrogen. These 2 Nassen hydrogen will get added like this. So what is the product? CH3 bond CH, bond OH, bond CH2, bond CH2, bond COH. What is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fourth carbon we have a OH. So it is 4-hydroxy 1-pentanoic acid. 1-pentanoic acid. So these are the 3 different methods to prepare the alcohol. Thank you.